structure initialization. How to initialize the structure? Next, structure initialization. Okay, how to initialize this? How to initialize the structure elements? How to initialize the structure elements? See, now I want to write struct to student. Struct student. See, int s number equals to 100, char s name of 20 equals to some name abc, and float average equals to 45.6. Okay, write this. Can we declare like this? Is it valid? Can we initialize this way? Can we declare like this? Can we declare below manner? Is it valid or not? Write this. Next one, structure initialization. Can we write like this? Yeah, Sai Nikita. Is it valid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Okay, next. Prudvi.
Yes, sir, valid.
Valid. Okay. Ruhina.
Valid, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Arun Varlakshmi.
Valid, sir.
Valid. Okay. See, is it valid or not? See, when we are declaring a structure, see, already I told you structure is a logical representation. Structure is a logical representation. Means what? No physical representation for the structure until you create a structure variable. Okay, we did not create any structure variable. This is a logical representation. Logical representation means there is no any physical representation, there is no any physical locations, there is no any physical memory for the structure elements. Okay, that's why we cannot initialize structure elements. We cannot initialize structure element inside the structure. Why? Because there is no any physical memory locations for the structure element. It is error. It's not valid. Error it is. Clear? We cannot initialize. This is error. Compilation error. Is a compilation error. Declaration syntax error. It shows declaration syntax error. Compile time error it is. We should not write like this. Okay, then which one is valid? Then which one is valid? How to initialize this? Example, see, we can initialize local variables also, we can initialize global variables also, we can initialize. See, once struct to student, if you want to initialize the structure elements as a local and as a global, see, I have taken integer e number or s number, student number, take a student number, s name we can take character s name of 20, character s name of 20, and float average. Okay, in the when we are declaring a structure, we cannot write like this. Okay, don't initialize here. I want to write s1 object or s1 structure variable. Okay, in Java and C++ we call objects here, but in C language we will call it as a structure variable 101. Okay, structure variable is 101, and write abc, student name is abc, and 56.7. Okay, this is one structure element. And if you want another student structure variable, we can initialize like this 102 and xyz, right? Xyz and 76.8. This is another structure, right? Two global variables. How to create a local variables? Local variables also we can create. Okay, how to create a local variables? You know that data type struct to student is the data type. Variable name is s3. We can write like this 103 and write PQR, right? PQR, student name is PQR, and average, right? 67.5. This is valid, right? We can create structure variable in this manner. Okay, it is a structure initialization. This is structure initialization. Write this structure initialization. Next, after that we discuss Typedef. Write this first. Yeah, write this. After that, Typedef. What is Typedef? Can anyone explain what is Typedef? What is Typedef?
Type converter.
Yeah, defining a new data types. Okay, defining new data type. Yeah, what is Typedef? Right, first finish this. Typedef is what? Typedef is a keyword, right? Typedef is a keyword. Using Typedef keyword, Typedef is a keyword. Not we cannot create a new data type. Structure, using structure we can create a new data type. Using union keyword we can create a new data type. And enum, using enum also we can create a new data type. Structure, enum, union. Okay, using this we can create a new data types. But what is typedef? See, typedef is a keyword. Using typedef keyword we cannot create any data type, new data type. We can give a alias name for the already existing data type. We can give a new name to already existing data type, right? Yeah, not we can't create any new data type. You can't create any new data type, but we can give a new name. We can give a new name to already existing data type, alias name, that is called. Okay, typedef is a keyword. Using typedef keyword we can create alias name for the already existing data type. Using typedef we can create alias name to alias name for the already existing data type. We can create an alias name for the existing data type. We can create alias name for the existing data type. We can create a new name, right? Okay, example syntax is what? Yeah, see this syntax. How to create a syntax? Typedef, keyword name is typedef. Data type name, what is data type? And what is alias name? Write alias name here. Example, see, we write this. Typedef, data type, new alias name. What is alias name? We have to create. Okay, typedef. Using typedef create, we can create alias name for the already existing data type. We can create a new name. We can create a new name. Okay, I will show you what is typedef. Finish this syntax on this already existing data type. We can create a new name for the already existing data type. Yeah, see. Example, see, we write a program. Finish this. Finish the. Yeah, if it is finished, see how to create a new name. Example, now I want to write a one variable. I want to declare variable name is myint x equals to. Now I want to create myint x. The int data type is there, but myint is not there. And also I want to create your float. Your float y equals to, I want to write 4.5 or something. Okay, see this. I want to declare a myint x. Is there myint x data type? There is no myint. Int is there, myint is not there. And float is there, your float is not there. Compile once. If I compile 4 errors, it is showing what is the 4 errors. Undefined symbol myint and statement missing semicolon. See guys, semicolon I have written in all the statement, but it is showing statement missing. And also undefined symbol overflow and the statements missing semicolon. Total four errors it is showing. See, int is not there. Int is not there. That's why it is showing error. Okay, my int is not there. That's why I create that typedef int is, write a new data type name my int. See this. Now, see how many errors are there now? Two errors removed, two errors are there. Now, okay, what is your float? It is showing error. How to create a new data type? Typedef float is your float. You can create a float is your float. Compile once. See, there is no errors. What is the warnings? You did not use x and y values. That's what it is showing. Okay, I want to use x and y values. Okay, how to use that x? Same. We can use directly. Print x value and y value. Now I want to print x. Percentile d, percentile f. Print x and y. You can write x and we can write y. Now it removes those warnings also. There is no warning, there is no errors. Now execute this, right? See x and y. What is this value? Typedef. We can create alias